Hello students, welcome to this English class. Today I have some riddles for you. Let's solve it. Slow and steady in my pace, I always win when there is a race. Slow and steady in my pace, I always win when there is a race. Guess me, who am I? Yes, it is a tortoise. Next riddle. I am very faithful, you know. I never let any thief to go. I am very faithful, you know. I never let any thief to go. Now guess me, who am I? Yes, it is a dog. Next riddle. I run in the sand with padded feet. To cross the desert, please have a seat. I run in the sand with padded feet. To cross the desert, please have a seat. Now guess, who am I? Yes, it is a camel. So today, there is a lesson in your English book that related to camel. Today we will discuss about that chapter. There is a picture for you. Look at the picture. What do you see? Yes, it is a camel. Have you seen it before? Yes. Where do they live? Where do they live? Yes, they live in desert. So there is a chapter in your English book related to this camel. Guess the chapter? Yes, the chapter is the camel. Now I will read this paragraph. Listen to me. An animal which lives in the desert is the camel. People kept camels as pets many thousands of years ago. Camels usually live in a small group of up to 30 animals. Camels have long, saggy winter coats to keep them warm and shorter, tighter coats in the summer to keep them cool. A thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water. That's about 500 full glasses in just 10 minutes. Now the next paragraph. Listen to me. There are two different types of camels. One known as dromedary has only a single hump. The other is called a Bactrian camel and has two humps. The humps help the animal to survive in the desert by acting as storage containers. Meaning of some unfamiliar words. First one is desert. Desert means any large dry area of land covered with sand. Look at the picture. This is a desert. It is covered with sands. Next one is pet animal. That means an animal kept in home for pleasure. Look at the picture. one is dog, another one is cat. Let's have some more words. Shaggy. Shaggy means long, thick, rough hair. Look at the picture. This animal has thick hair. That is called shaggy. Dromedary. Dromedary means one-humped camel. Dromedary means one-humped camel. Look at the picture. It is a camel. It has single hump. It is called dromedary. Another one is Bactrian. Bactrian means two-humped camel. Bactrian means two-humped camel. There is a picture. In this picture, there is a camel with two humps. This camel is called Bactrian. Now I will explain the first paragraph. Listen to me carefully. The camel. An animal which lives in the desert is the camel. That means camel lives in the desert. People kept camels as pets many thousands of years ago. That means camel also a pet animal. People kept camels many thousand years ago. Camels usually live in small groups of up to 30 animals. That means camel lives in small groups that contains 30 animals. Camels have long saggy winter coats to keep them warm and shorter tighter coats in the summer to keep them cool. That means camel has two types of coats. That one is long saggy winter coat to keep them warm and shorter tighter coats in the summer to keep them cool. A thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water. That is about 500 full glasses in just 10 minutes. That means a thirsty camel can drink 30 gallons. A thirsty camel can drink 30 gallons of water. That is about 500 full glasses. It just in 10 minutes. The second paragraph. There are two different types of camels. Look at the picture. There are two different types of camels. One known as dromedary has only a single hump. Look at the first picture. This is a dromedary camel. It has only single hump. The other is called a Bactrian camel. Look at the second picture. It is a Bactrian camel. It has two humps. The humps help the animal to survive in the desert by acting as storage container. The hump help the camel to store its food and water as a storage container to survive in the desert. Let's discuss the summary. Camels are desert animals. They live in groups. Their shaggy hair keep them warm in winter and tighter coats keep them cool in summer. A camel can take 30 gallons of water at a time. There are two different types of camels. One is dromedary, having one hump, and other is Bactrian, having two humps. Let's discuss some questions. Your first question is, where do camels live? Camels live in the desert. Your second question is, are the camels wild animals? No. How do you know? People kept camels as pets many thousands of years ago. That's why camels are not wild animals. Your third question is, how do camels live? Single or in group? Yes, the answer is in group. Your fourth question is, what helps them keep warm? Camels have long, saggy winter coats to keep them warm. Your answer is Your fifth question is, what keeps their bodies cool in summer? Shorter, tighter coats in the summer to keep them cool. Your answer is Your sixth question is, how much water does a camel drink in 10 minutes? A thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water, just 10 minutes. Your answer is 30 gallons of water. Thirty gallons of water. Let's discuss some new questions. Your question number 7. Question number 7 is, how many types of camels are there? How many types of camels are there? There are 2 different types of camels. There are 2 different types of camels. So your answer is 2. Question number 8. What are they? What are they? One known as dromedary, another one is Bactrian camel. One known as dromedary has only single hump. The other is called Bactrian camel, has 2 humps. So your question is, what are they? They are dromedary, and another one is Bactrian. Your last question is, what helps the camels to live in the desert? What helps the camel to live in the desert? See, the humps help the animal to survive in the desert. Your answer is the humps. So students, what you learned today? We learned about 2 types of camels and how they survive in the desert. Okay students, this much is for today. Bye bye.